chapter name The Constitution of India, chapter 5. First of all, we are going to see the Indian Constitution. Okay. The Constitution of India is a set of rules and laws according to which our country is governed, and it defines the position and power of the three organs of the government. What are the organs? The executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. In the other hand, it explains the relation between the government and the citizen, and as well as the rights and duties of the citizen. Second point, need for the Indian Constitution. Why it is needed? Before gaining independence, India was ruled according to the laws passed by the British Parliament. But after that, when India got the independence on 1947, August 15, our leaders felt India should govern it by its own rule and regulation. Then what happened? The Constitution of India, the supreme law of India, and it is country's highest rule book. Then they started to form the Indian Constitution. So next point we are going to discuss formation of the Indian Constitution, how it's formed. After the independence of India, a Constituent Assembly was formed, and some members of the Constituent Assembly were Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Dr. Ambedkar, etc. And it's make a set a drafting committee to prepare the draft for our constitution, and Dr. Ambedkar was made the chairman of the drafting committee. Then they going through the various except, and after going through the constitutions of the different countries like USA, UK, then they make a drafting committee drafted the Constitution of India. After the approval of the Constituent Assembly, the Constitution of India came to force on January 26, 1950. Children, we know every year we observe that day, January 26th, as our Republic Day. No. The next we are going to discuss about the nature of the Indian Constitution. Here are some points we are going to discuss about you. First one is our Constitution is a written Constitution. In India, our Constitution of India is a written document. The rule and laws are written form. They are not unwritten like that in case of the British Constitution. Second one is the longest Constitution. The Constitution of India is the longest and the lengthiest constitution in world, and it had 395 articles and 8 schedules.